Hurley House is an exquisite development of just 5 wonderful homes combining elegance, style and security with the finest specification. Hidden away in a tree-lined private road, Hurley House is set in landscape grounds of some half an acre, secluded from neighbouring homes. Hurley House is a sanctuary created from just 5 individual apartments, whose aesthetics accentuate every available space, and all set just a short stroll from bustling Cobham High Street. The grand entrance hall features an elegant staircase, with lifts servicing the upper floors. All properties are finished with timber or tiled flooring in the kitchens and living areas, with carpet to all bedrooms and decorative cornice to ceilings in selected rooms. The fully fitted kitchens have been individually designed, each with beautiful stone work surfaces and a full range of high-end appliances. All properties further benefit from a separate utility room.